So at this point, we're actually saving stuff, which is good. We have a bunch of kind of crufty stuff in here, so why don't we clear that out? So I'm going to stop this debugging session for now and reclaim some space in the editor. So why don't we copy this Drupal state here, and what I'm going to do is use autocomplete by starting to type delete, and you see it pop up here, and I'm going to hit enter. And so we're going to choose a key, and the key is going to be this Trails history. So I'll copy that, paste it in here. Okay, so this should actually clear out our Trails history state the next time this loads. I'm going to jump back to the browser, and let's turn off debugging and refresh. And let's turn debugging back on and refresh. Okay, so now when we look at trail, it only has one item, which is the last item that we visited, structure at admin structure. Okay, great. I'm going to comment out this delete line. We can always uncomment it if we want to clear out our state. I'll save this.